Changing the valve cover gasket on a Vortec 305.
305, 5.3.
5.3.
4.8 or 6 liters, same thing.
4.8, whatever, I don't know. 5.3, isn't that 305?
No, LS engine. 5.3 is like 327, but this is a 325. They're all studs. Another one back here holding on, and that's it. Get these packs off. It's burning this thing. Burn it! Feel the burn.
Hot coil packs.
Hot.
Very hot. 95 degrees down here at about 11 o'clock in the morning. The humidity's only 60%. You got a real feel of about 104, I think it said.
Say if you change these, it should stop this funk. You're getting a little trail.
We're getting trail of oil coming down.
Not much, but you smell it. And all this goop that we're getting won't accumulate anymore.
So the coil packs are mounted to the valve cover?
Yep, maybe was it like 5 spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 bolts come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 bolts will take off that valve cover.
106 inch-pounds.
106 inch-pounds. 8mm. I use a tiny 1/4 inch drive on it.
You can use a 3/8 if you want. This has been going on for a while. We'll see how clean our engine is though with the synthetic oil for 100,000 miles. Oh man, look how clean this thing is. It's brand new. Let's get these out of here first though. That one's still got some meat on it. Holy moly, look, I think it's brand new. Holy shit. Look at that.
No sludge.
This looks brand new. Wow. Look at the other side, nothing.
Wow.
Wow, this engine will last forever.
Don't say that, it's jinx.
Oh no, it will. Look how clean that
No
is.
sludge. This is Mobile One Oil using it
10 years.
for 115,000.
Wow.
115,000. That looks pretty good.
We got to check too if we have the Gasket heads that crack. I don't know. Hopefully not. They have the little logo on them. I don't know if that's it over there. No, maybe
I can't believe how small that little gasket is. What, it goes in a little groove or something?
Yeah. You see the heads, they have problems with some of these heads. They crack around the head bolts and they start leaking coolant out. Those look pretty good. And you know you're leaking coolant anyway. See, that's that oil. It was nasty. See, that stays back there? It's just so... We haven't changed the oil in so long. But, yeah, they crack, but these ones look excellent. I don't think these are Gasket heads either, unless that's a... I don't know. You gotta get a picture of that and compare. Flatten a little dry around the edges. See it over there?
That's the old gasket, a little rubber.
Brake clean it, and we'll be good.
And we got a Chinese blue one.
Felt probe. 1 year warranty. And we got new grommets too that go in.
New grommets.
We gotta figure out
Made in China.
Everything's made in China. I can't... Oh, this is the updated cover too. So they had an earlier cover and they start burning oil because they don't have the shield in there. So they put the shield in so there's less flow. The PCV valve with a little orifice. And you see that's just a little tiny hole. When you look in there, there's nothing to rattle. Just that.
Yeah.
So if that gets plugged up though, you start getting some issues. But we'll throw some cleaner through there. This thing's all soft and nasty. Alright, now that we learned the trick, let's try to get the other one out. Ripped.
Oh, those grommets are just breaking, they're so brittle.
They're dry, man. Oh, I can't get this side out. Come on. Push it out the other side. At least we learned the trick. Look at that, right out. Scrubbing this shit for 5 minutes. Alright, that's how you do it. Clean this guy up real good. Yeah, it's good we don't have the cast tech heads. Pretty sure we don't. Even though only a low percentage they say crack. Let they go on this like that. And it seems like we have a little more, so
Cushion.
yeah. That shit's clean. That's ready to go on after we clean the cylinder head. Where's my camera book screen? Don't snap it. I don't like this. Why is it not clicking?
Yeah, it seems like a lot of force
I
too.
don't know, I don't like this. I want to freaking break a bolt today. That's not. I don't know. Kinda don't like that.
Why don't you knock it down to like 100, see if it clicks
Good
or
idea.
something, just to see if it's...
I don't know. Oh yeah, it's probably as tight as it was before. And don't pinch any wires. You don't see any wires back there? You don't want to ground them against the head. That should be good. We got that, and we gotta get a 10.